Welcome to AutoCore Line, where tradition meets technology in the making of authentic Indian jalebis. High-quality raw ingredients including wheat flour, chickpea flour, yogurt and yeast arrive fresh daily at the factory. Ingredients are measured accurately to maintain consistency in every batch of jalebi batter. Flours are combined in large mixers to form the base of the jalebi batter.
Wet ingredients, including yogurt and yeast solution, are blended in to initiate fermentation.
The batter is mixed thoroughly to achieve the perfect consistency for fermentation.
Temperature and pH levels are closely monitored to ensure optimal fermentation.
The batter is transferred to fermentation tanks, where controlled conditions help develop the signature tangy flavor. Fermentation allows natural yeast to activate, creating the batter's characteristic lightness and flavor.
Samples are tested regularly to maintain the highest quality standards.
Once perfectly fermented, the batter is moved forward for shaping and frying.
The perfectly fermented batter is transferred to automated dispensers designed for precise jalebi shaping.
The batter is skillfully shaped into traditional spirals by automated nozzles, ensuring uniform size and shape. Jalebis fry to a golden crisp as they travel through the hot oil on the conveyor belt.
Oil temperature is carefully controlled to achieve perfect texture without burning.
Quality control staff ensure only perfectly fried jalebis proceed to the next stage.
Excess oil is drained to keep the jalebis light and crispy. Careful handling preserves the delicate shape and texture of each jalebi.
Jalebis are moved efficiently to the syrup station for sweetening.
Cooling conveyors gently reduce the temperature, preparing jalebis for syrup soaking.
Golden and crispy, the jalebis are now ready to be soaked in fragrant sugar syrup.
Sweet, fragrant sugar syrup is prepared in large vats, heated to the perfect consistency for soaking.
Temperature is carefully monitored to ensure the syrup is neither too thick nor too thin.
Crisp jalebis are transported efficiently to the syrup soaking station.
Automated dispensers soak each jalebi evenly, infusing them with sweetness and shine. Excess syrup drains away, preventing sogginess and maintaining crispness.
Each jalebi is inspected to ensure consistent sweetness and perfect texture.
Packaging materials are prepared to keep jalebis fresh and protected.
Jalebis are packed carefully to preserve their shape and freshness.
Sealed and labeled, the jalebis are ready for distribution to markets and customers.
Packed jalebi boxes are carefully stacked on pallets, ready for shipment.
Pallets are securely wrapped to protect the products during transport.
Pallets are loaded in temperature-controlled trucks to maintain freshness.
Fresh jalebis begin their journey from the factory to markets nationwide. Our quality assurance team conducts rigorous testing to ensure product safety and consistency.
Packaging is checked thoroughly to guarantee product integrity.
Storage conditions are continuously monitored to preserve jalebi freshness.
We value customer feedback and provide dedicated support to ensure satisfaction.
Jalebis are delivered fresh to retail outlets, ready for customers to enjoy. From our factory to your hands, AutoCore Line delivers authentic, delicious jalebis every time. At AutoCore Line, we combine modern processes with traditional flavors to bring you the finest jalebis every time.